My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that are related to the website downloadportal.net. Downloadportal.net is a new deceptive site currently attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Downloadportal.net actually tries to make you download and install unwanted browser extensions for the Google Chrome browser. Now, interacting with these pop-ups is dangerous because such extensions may actually operate as adware or as browser hijackers. If they work as adware, they may display a lot of ads not related to the sites that you visit. Therefore, if any third-party extensions were mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser because of that, we recommend you to get rid of them by going to the menu, then more tools, then extensions. So disable this extension and remove it completely. This should be sufficient enough. I would also recommend that you thoroughly research your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may obtain on the official website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then start thoroughly researching and investigating your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.